Welcome to your perfect home away from home. Brought to you by AL eHousing, the ultimate solution for insurance claims accommodations. Nestled in a serene and tranquil neighborhood, this beautiful brick home boasts 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 luxurious bathrooms. The master suite is a haven of comfort, featuring a lavish king-size bed, a cozy living room nook, and a rejuvenating whirlpool tub for pure relaxation. Entertainment abounds with flat screens in every room, a pool room for fun gatherings, a vibrant kids' room for the little ones, and a convenient 2-car garage for your vehicles. Step outside and enjoy access to the community park and pool, just a mere 500 feet behind the house for outdoor enjoyment. As an added bonus, we offer transportation to and from the airport for a small fee, ensuring your journey is seamless and stress-free. Stay connected with complimentary high-speed internet, making it easy to work, unwind, and stay in touch with loved ones. When you need a sanctuary during times of repair, Yeli Housing provides the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and luxury. Confirm your stay today.